morning and welcome to day 4 of Hong Kong. We're currently at Tsim Sha Tsui station and we're going to Central to eat. Last night was interesting to say the least. So me and Ast were just chilling on the bed, watching our little videos, and then we hear a massive shriek from the other room. It was a woman screaming like for her life. I thought she was getting beaten up. And we heard a guy also like yelling and like crying.
Visibly upset.
So we get up and we're like at the door like trying to listen. And then they came out into the corridor and then we could hear everything. And at this point I was trying to call the concierge because it was getting quite concerning. But concierge had gone home, so we were like, should we call the police? What do we do? I couldn't really understand what was going on. I can understand Cantonese, but I didn't really understand the context. So the girl was basically saying, I've had enough of this, I can't do this anymore. And then the guy was screaming and crying, saying, please explain. And then he ended up just crying and then going down the lift and going out of the hotel. And we could still like hear him screaming when he was walking on the street. So we knew it was kind of serious. And then it was just quite weird because this morning we were like, okay, let's tell the concierge. And concierge were like, oh yeah, we knew about it. Like they just had a bit of a problem and they're okay. Like no apology, no nothing. What a weird experience.
Anyway.
We're just glad no one was hurt. Seems like everyone's okay, but
A bad breakup potentially.
But yeah, that was very intense to listen to it was around 11:30 at night. But yeah, we're going to enjoy the day today. We're going to go to Central to eat. We're also going to go to Kowloon Tong. That's where I went when I was a child, so I'm really excited to go back.
Anyway, we've got to get on the train now,
Yeah.
so
Bye. Central is like Central Station.
I don't know where we're going. We're going to the Peak Tram, but apparently to get to the tram that takes you to the top of a hill, you need to walk up half the hill. At least it's in the shade. It feels like we're in an Asian rainforest in the middle of the city. Almost there.
Oh my goodness, it is such a hot and humid day in Hong Kong. I am wearing long pants just because I wanted to fit in with the people here because everyone wears long pants, but I am sweating.
Not used to it.
Yeah, we went to this really good yum cha place. It was a bit chaotic. There were so many people in there and yeah, we had to share a table with other people as well. And they don't come around with the dim sum and stuff like that. You had to walk around and go and get it from the trolley yourself. And the hospitality was not that great. And that's how you know it's a good Chinese restaurant. The worker kind of was just like, take your dumplings, leave. But the people who were pouring the tea and stuff were quite nice. And then we just walked uphill, up these stairs, through this forest to get to the Peak Tram. I am sweating like a pig.
It was so hot. I have the world's worst back sweat.
Yes. And Astley wore the wrong colour t-shirt so you can see the sweat. And he was not very happy about it. But we made it now and we're lining up to go on the Peak Tram. So that'll be really fun. We'll see you when we're on the Peak Tram. Peak Tram.
We gotta go up.
We got
up,
a seat.
Up. I keep asking if we keep going to Victoria Peak because I don't know where this goes.
Yeah. He's obsessed with Victoria Peak for some reason. I don't know where it is, but I don't know. if
Peak
we're
Tram, Victoria Peak. Hey guys, it's Victoria Peak. I was right. Damn, dude. Oh my god. I'm so scared to stand on the edge.
We're at the very top of Hong Kong. So we are currently at Kowloon Tong station and we're going to Kowloon Sing. That is where I went with my family a lot when I was young, and we're going to explore that area, and I'm going to bring Ashley along. So that'll be really cool to just see what it looks like now and if it's changed. Yeah, and we're on the shuttle bus, which is really fun. Bye.
Alright, after searching for a while, we managed to find the shopping centre that Hill was looking for in this place. So, this is it. I think it's like Kowloon City Plaza or something like that. A really old one, yeah. Alright, but it's pouring rain, so camera's not good in the rain. We're trying to go for that purple labubu.
Yeah, should I go for its head? Oh! Oh!
It's like $1 a play, which is not bad.
Surely. Wait, it just lets go straight away.
One more time.
Oh. Come on.
Tragic. Tragic loss. Goodbye, purple labubu.
It's rigged.
Goodbye.
Oh, it lets go of it.
2,000 years later.
Should we try again?
Oh. Yeah.
Want to share?
Yeah.
Okay, just two.
Mr. Softy.
Last, take the big